is April 1st, and we at Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading have a very special video showing how easy it is to pill a cat. I'm Marcy McDonald. Scott and I, as well as Remote Homestead Accomplice Shonna Zimmermann, have had a lot of experience with our cats, past and present. Like with humans in modern healthcare, it is important to inform veterinary patients and facilitate their participation in their own care.
This sweet girl is Mysti. She's an old lady, little chunky, and right now she's dealing with a bit of a kidney infection. Kidney infections do need to be treated in cats. It's a very serious medical condition, and for her health, in addition to making sure she's very hydrated, I have to give her an antibiotic. Antibiotic comes in a pill, and so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how to pill a cat. A lot of people think that it is an ordeal. It's very tricky, but I'm here to assure you that pilling a cat is super duper easy. Cats are actually very, very easy to fool. They don't really pay attention to things, so you can so easily hide a pill in any treat and they'll just 100% of the time take it, just like that. Let me show you. So let's give her the pill that's in the treat. Here you go. See? Totally works. Just watch. But come on. Come on. Come on, you love these treats. Come on. Who came up with that 100% of the time thing? Well, they're wrong. Well, so if hiding a pill in the treat doesn't work, you can always very easily force the pill into the kitty's mouth and they will swallow it every time. So a couple things to prepare for this. You do need to hold them firmly, which means scruffing them, grabbing a good firm handful of the skin on the back of the neck. You don't want to do a little pinch, that might hurt them. You don't want to just pull fur, that can hurt. You do want to get a good firm handful and hold on. This is a response from when they're kittens and their mom would pick them up and carry them. It makes them freeze so they won't fight. They wouldn't fight when the mother was carrying them in her mouth, and they won't fight you when you're trying to give them the pill. So the next thing you're going to do once you have a good scruff on them is you're going to hold the pill in your hand and you're just going to very easily It's super simple, really. You're just going to get a hold of them and you're just going to very easily, ow. So You're gonna get a hold. Come on. Let's show them how to do this. This is easy. You're just gonna get a hold. And you're just gonna get into the corner of, ow. I'll be right back. There we go. Pretty girl. Okay. Now, I promise you, this time, this is an easy gadget that works every time. Try a pill popper if all else fails. It's a simple little gadget, kind of works like a syringe. You load the pill in the top and then press the plunger. It pops the pill right out. The intention is that you get it between your animal's teeth and it pops it right into the back of their throat where they have to swallow it. So let me show you how that works. Where is it? Okay. So again, we're going to load it. You're going to get a good scruff on them. Just like I said, you grab a good handful. And then all you need to do is all you need to do is take your pet to the vet and ask the techs to give the cat the pill. Good luck.
I hope you all enjoyed our April 1st video. Shonna wanted me to be sure to mention that, quote, no animals were harmed in the filming of this video. Mysti was slightly annoyed by the end of it, but the fact of the matter is she did everything perfectly on the first take, which is more than Shonna can say for herself, end quote. In all seriousness, cats can be difficult to medicate. Shonna may have been exaggerating the situation for fun and entertainment, but the struggle is real. I'm sure there's some sweet kitty out there that takes their medicine without complaint. Mine have never been particularly cooperative. My first cat, as a grown-up, Alex, had a talent for appearing to have swallowed pills before spitting them on the carpet when I wasn't looking. We all have years of experience with special needs cats in our care, but don't have any recordings showing the process of pilling anyone for real. I have included links in the description to experts offering their advice and instructions. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.